A total of 1,510 trees were planted by students from the Adventist School of Ecuador, CADE. This activity, coordinated by Foods CADE, brought together teachers and authorities from Santo Domingo de los Seychelles, a province located in north-central Ecuador. Around 300 participants planted ancient and fruit trees on the 4-hectare CADE campus, demonstrating their commitment to environmental awareness and social responsibility. The students, many planting a tree for the first time, were notably joyful. The activity marked the beginning of a fruitful collaboration, highlighting the positive impact of Adventist institutions on the community.